Hi, this is Lana Tolbert with Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady. And today we're dealing with a really fun question. How do I pick a color for my metal roof? That's one of my favorite things. Our way that we like to do it is we like to come and visit you in your home, and we have big 4-foot samples that we put up on your roof so you can actually see the color. But before you get to the color, you literally have to figure out which profile you like. In the stone-coated steel, there's shake profiles, there's shingle profiles, there's tile profiles, many different tile profiles. And as you can see, every house has its own unique characteristic, its own unique coloring, and its own unique look and feel. And so the first thing is to figure out what it is, how you want your house to look, what profile. And then we can go from there. And all of the stone-coated steels come in a beautiful array of natural stone colors. You can do anywhere from red, and we even have blues and greens that we don't have shown here. And these colors are very compatible because they're a mix of stones, and so you can mix them with lots of different colors. You know, the weathered timber goes with browns and blues and grays and taupes and creams. Like every house, even if you have two houses side by side, the same roof color may not look the same on each house because of what's around it. So our best advice to you when picking a stone-coated steel or a metal roof color is to get some big samples, put them up on the roof, have a really great time, invite the neighbors, have the dog be barking, just make it a party to figure out what in the heck you want to look at for the lifetime of your house in a color for a metal roof. Thanks for joining us in this episode, How Do I Choose a Color? Metal up with a Lianro roof.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.